It's rainy day today. Kahit umuulan, bibili kami ng grocery. Mag-grocery. Maliit na siya. Shannon Town Center. This is our mini vlog today. Kasi hindi tayo lalabas today dahil maulan. After, after 5 minutes, 7 minutes, andito na kami sa aming destination. Ito ang Shannon Town Center. Maliit lang siya na square. May Lidl, may Supermac. And then dito kami pupunta sa Dome Store muna. And then later sa bazaar. And then we're here in Dawn Store. Dito kami mag-grocery. First item is pepper. And then second is spinach. Hanap na ng spinach. Ayun, sa taas. Laki naman, dami naman yan. Masyado siyang toasted.
Oo, kasi oven pa niya. Ito, pwede ito.
Meat section. Ayun, pizza sauce tayo. Chicken.
Ang gusto ko sana yung dalawang maliit. Kasi ito, mas malaki yung breast.
Oo.
Sayang.
Hindi mo makakain. Doon tayo sa smaller version ng manok. Ayan, madami pa. Ilang kilo yan? 1.2. 1.2 grams. 7.29 euro. On the list is 7-Up.
Ito ba yun? Lemon and lime?
I don't know. Wala naman iba ng 7-Up eh. Okay, we're going to the cashier to pay. Self-service na lang daw kami. Self-pay na lang kami. Ito, saan may lalagay?
Mamaya mo ibabasket kita, Ara.
Ayaw ni...
Select from list. Quantity needed. Select from list.
Ayan, white.
Quantity needed.
2. Ano yan? Ito ang brown. Tanong mo sa kanya.
Parang medyo.
So we're good?
Yeah.
Okay, we're good.
Insert cash or select payment type. Have you used your Value Club card? Your card has been accepted. Please pay card.
Andito na yung pepper sa ibabaw. Yeah. Dito na. Ay, yung dito mo nalalagay. Ay, kaya ba?
No. Okay, let's go. So,
okay, we're done. Bye. That's all for today.